was it? I don't even think we asked. Pepper's getting in my nose. Let's go. Let's go. Why? Ah! It's like not, there's a sneeze that wants to sneeze, but it's not sneezing. You know? Woo! Nah, I don't like it. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. That was worse than the vinegar, the fucking pepper in my face. I shouldn't have, you know how I did the container? This is life hacks with Dayna. Don't squish it like this. It gets the pepper juices in the air. The dust. There we go. Oh my goodness. Remove toxins from your system so it gives you... Yeah, exactly. There we go, Stuart.